My wand!
Little help, please!
I got you, Marco!
I told you, birds don't see what doesn't move.
Okay, I think we lost them.
Oh, great! Now we're stuck in a room with paintings?
I hate paintings. Wait, these are all paintings of Rich Pigeon.
Huh. Bold, confident brushwork with a subtle nod to neoclassicism. Nice.
Quick! Barricade the door! Ponyhead, where are you going?
Ooh, I am sorry, but I cannot deal with this anymore right now, okay? I need to do me. Much better.
Ponyhead, wait, what are you doing? Get back here and help us!
Guys, come quick! I think I found something!
Oh, thanks, Manny.
Look at me! I can dance now! Look at this!
Rich Pigeon's legs.
Ponyhead, I don't see how some extra legs and jewels are gonna get us out of here.
Well, first of all, you are so wrong on so many levels. The second level being that this is not what I found that I'm talking about. Look at them calves. Boom!
Wow.
Those are some big legs.
Everyone, get the legs!
Hurry up!
Sorry, we can't all just float wherever we want.
Definitely not with that attitude.
Oh, look at all these levers!
Push them all!
How does this thing work?
Stop yelling!
Yelling feels good right now!
No, I mean it. Stop yelling for 1 second. Do you hear that?
I don't hear anything.
Exactly. They stopped. Phew!
Oh, thank karate. Now, let's get this thing